It's very good for us to have our own factory, to have our own colleagues in Morocco. We get first-hand information regarding the harvest, regarding how it's going on the fields, and that really helps us in conversations with our clients. So we can advise our clients, okay, this is what you should do in this situation, what decision should you take at what point during the harvest. It's especially in years where availability gets harder and harder on the raw material side, that this is very important for them to know, okay, what should I close, where should I wait? Well, it's really nice to always be able to put a face behind the product, because every so often, of course, you get into the nitty-gritty details on quality, on all these other things that, for example, regarding agronomy, regarding the fields, different microbiome parameters that we need to discuss. And it's always nice to know who you can reach for that. So you also have the farmers. Those are farmers that the factory has been working with for quite some years. They know by now what they can expect from them. And also in terms of availability, we know that, okay, we have these farmers connected to our factory, and we know when we need them, they will be there. To already get a first idea of, okay, how can we expect prices to go this year? And then during the harvest, of course, as well, what are the weather conditions? How are the fields looking? For example, if we see that the storm is coming, okay, how did the storm affect our fields? How did this affect the yield? And therefore also, of course, bottom line, the price. We know how the product works. We're also sitting together with the farmers to be sure that what we receive is a quality product. And I think that's what customers value the most.